This is my review of the Purple Leaf aluminum retractable top pergola, and it's got that extra roof section. Let's talk about this. Now, when the delivery guy showed up at this thing, I was a little bit curious. I mean, overall, the whole thing, 93 pounds. When the guy carried it up the driveway himself, I literally thought, maybe this was a mistake. So that was 2 weeks ago, we got that delivery, and with a toddler in the house, it was a bit of a challenge to get it built, but I just kind of chipped away at it every night for half hour, 45 minutes. And overall, it was a pretty easy build. For us, the hardest part was attaching it to the deck itself. Now, we've got this composite decking, so I had to actually go underneath and screw in a couple of 2x8s just to have a secure base to secure it to. But once that was done, the whole thing went up in a breeze. Like, I was super impressed. The whole construction is aluminum, so it went up super fast. I did most of the work myself. I still haven't even taken all these stickers off yet. And there's little caps that go over these screws. So ultimately, they're all gonna look like these. So let me talk for a second about why we chose this pergola specifically. So they've all got this retractable canvas portion, but this piece up here, that's designed to catch any rain, or at least the majority of it, that comes down and keep it from collecting in these folds. And to be fair, we were hit with a rainstorm last night, and it did a good job. It didn't do the whole job, but it did a good job. Okay, so let's roll this thing out. I'm gonna do my best to keep it on camera. It's got a nice hole right here where you can hook it to keep the strap together. To be honest, I've been doing it right here on our house, but you don't have my house. Yeah, so once you unhook that, then you just pull this back. It's a little bit windy right now. And there's some clips right here. And that just goes, and it snaps right into place. And from there, you're all set. Yeah, we're quite thrilled. The thing went up super easy, like I said. I can't say that enough. And we're pretty excited to have this for a while. So if you're like us and you've got a deck that's basically unusable until the sun starts to go down and there's no shade trees around, you might want to think about a Purple Leaf retractable pergola. It's been a great solution for us. It's going to be a great summer, and I think it could be good for you as well.